The Gambia Market Union's planned strike has been temporarily suspended after a meeting with government officials last week. Vendors in major markets in the Gambia planned a sit-down strike on Monday against COVID-19 regulations that limit operating hours for food and non-food item sellers. More in this report.
On Friday, government officials and market union leaders had a meeting in which an agreement was reached to cancel the planned protest. Dudu Njai, a member of the market union committee, told iAfrica TV on Monday that they are waiting to hear from the Minister of Interior after the weekend meeting.
Dimba mom alhamdulillah luñ espegon moy ne mit Interior Minister muy Sonko.
We had promising talks with Interior Minister Usman Sonko yesterday after he visited us here at the market. Our expectation were to meet with him, and thank God our discussion went well. He promised to get back to us after the meeting with executives on Monday.
Mr. Njai said the committee are resolute in their decision despite assurances from the minister of a breakthrough. He outlined their commitment to fight for the interests of their members, but hopes there would be a positive outcome in today's meeting.
Expect nañ ko in a sense ne ñun comme ministre bi mom mo bay soxlam.
Our expectations are very positive, considering the minister left all he was doing to visit us here at the market to discuss with us. That shows he is a good and responsible leader. He assured us that he will amicably deal with the matter and come back with positive message for us. But we also informed him of our intent to go ahead with our plans if our demands are not met, as we cannot afford to fail the people behind us. We asked them to issue a statement to inform the public of our discussion as we await the outcome of their meeting.
The Ministerial Committee on the COVID-19 pandemic under the leadership of the Vice President, Dr. Aïssatou Touré, are expected to sit over the matter for an appropriate response to the market leaders' demands. The Gambia government said its COVID-19 regulations are meant to curb the spread of the virus, but market vendors argue that the rules cripple businesses and shut down income.
Planned strike by market vendors has been temporarily suspended after a truce meeting with the government.